What is up, guys? Welcome back to Via Trading. Today we're gonna go over AMC. If you like what you see today in the video, please consider subscribing and liking the video as it helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So today we're gonna go over what happened today with AMC as well as something with the threshold list. We're gonna go over a little bit of the chart. So let's get it started. Alright, so we're gonna go over to the 5-minute chart over here. So as we see here, the aftermarket is pretty flat. It's really not much going on. As we see, it's really low volume. So if we scroll back over here, we see how AMC really started to have a good day. I really thought it was gonna have a good day as it went all the way to 55. Let me see if I can get it exact. 55.06 was the high of today. So I really thought we were gonna have a good day after seeing that, but after that, it just went straight down. After it started going down, you could see it make a little bit of a push, but then after that, it just wasn't, just kept going downhill after that. So, but if we look at the Russell here, which AMC is part of the Russell 2000, we see that it's had a similar trend. It was down around, I believe, 1 to 2% today. So I think that's something to really pay attention to. As we know, AMC is gonna trend with the Russell 2000. So we're gonna go over the threshold list now. And I saw this. Any of you guys don't know what a threshold is? So I'm gonna read this really quick. A security will be placed on the threshold list if it has a significant fail to deliver position for at least 5 business days. This list includes failures to deliver for both long and short positions. The definition of a threshold security for reporting issuer is set forth in Regulation SHO, and for non-reporting issuers is set forth in Rule 4320. So basically, a threshold is if a stock, from what I believe and from what I read, if a stock has a failure to deliver for a certain amount, I believe the certain amount is 2.5 million shares that failed to deliver. As that amount for 5 straight days, it goes on the list. So as we see here, AMC first got on the list on June 25th, as we see it here. So that means it must have gone on the list on the 21st. So far it's been the 5th day was on the 25th, then 10 days on the 2nd. Today would be the 11th day. So am I bullish on it? Yes, but at the same time, we can't expect something to happen, just because on the list, because those failure to delivers have to be covered after the 13th day. So that's just really something to look forward to. But again, we can't expect AMC to just skyrocket out of nowhere, because we just can't expect it. We can only hope for it, but we can't expect it, because then if it doesn't happen, we just feel like we failed, and nobody wants to feel like like they failed. We're in this together, so we just gotta keep keep fighting. So here we see the volume for AMC, and we see how high the volume was back in the beginning of June. Starting June 7th, it was 350 million. And then after that, I had a decent amount, not too much. I had a decent amount, nothing crazy, but volume right now is just really not doing it for us. And in order to drive price action, we need a lot of volume. I mean, at least like 300, 400, 500, the more the better. So if we go back to the chart, I'm gonna go to the 1-day chart. And as we see here, it's still on that level of support, for the ascending level of support. And this is very important to keep in mind. At any given time, it could break under or, skyrocket up. So it's important to keep that in mind as it's supporting this pennant as well. So if we scroll back, I just need to go back to, when AMC was trading like around 5, 10, $15. I just feel like, we need to be patient with what's going on, because that's very important. Patience is key in situations like this. As we see here, AMC was trading back at 555. It rolled up all the way to 10.50, almost $11. Then it came back down a little bit, but $8. Then it, slowly went up to $14. Then it came back down to $9. And it consolidated, consolidate. As we keep going, consolidate, and then finally we got the move that we wanted. We want more, but this was great for us. We really needed it after 6 whole months of waiting. We finally got this move. This is just the beginning. We're still in this. We're just in consolidating right now. It's kind of tense, but as long as we stick together, we should be fine. So for tomorrow, again, I expect stay within this range. It could go a little bit lower, it could go high, but I do expect it to stay in this range. I believe tomorrow will be a good day. Everything just has to play out right, as we all know. But I am expecting a good day tomorrow. So again, we just gotta be patient. That's the key in this situation. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Thank you guys for watching the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed what I provided you today. If you did enjoy, consider liking and subscribing, as it helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So consider subscribing if you would like to keep updated with AMC and other stocks as well. Thank you again for watching.